Hi, Andrew here, and I thought we'd just show you what we're doing this morning at our morning tasting. We're looking at the winter tea. Now, as some of you may know, we originally had a winter tea and we made it a Christmas tea, and they were the same thing. So the winter tea and the Christmas tea were the same thing. And this is a bit of an anomaly. So what we need to do, we've been working on this, is create a separate winter blend, which is going to be called Winter Warmer. So it's got to be a nice warming blend. The Christmas blend we don't want to change because that's extremely popular, and I think there may be riots on the streets of Portsmouth if we change the Christmas tea, which, if you've tried it, is cloves and orange, and it's really delicious. So Robert, my colleague Robert, has prepared 3 first attempts at the Winter Warmer blend, and I've got them in front of me here. 1, 2, 3, and the first one is cloves and cinnamon and vanilla, and the second one is cardamom and cinnamon and orange, and the third one is cinnamon and hibiscus and orange and vanilla and licorice. So that's simple, quite complicated. So this, in fact, is exactly the same as the existing Christmas blend, except that the orange is being changed to vanilla. So let's have a look. How well can you see that, Carlos? Do you need to zoom in? But we've got some nice blends here. So you can, I hope you can see the cloves in there, and the nice leaf tea that we've used, which is our standard base blend tea. In there, hopefully you can see the cardamom pods and seeds, and obviously you can't smell it. Oh, there's bits of cinnamon in there too. You can't smell it, obviously, but there's orange oil in there. And then finally, there's the one you can see there's the bits of big dried hibiscus petal, some bits of cinnamon and licorice. There's some tiny bits of licorice you can see in there as well. And the oils, of course, you can't see, vanilla and orange. So those have all come out nicely. Of course, for the final products, we'll add something pretty. We'll add some petals to this. Petals in the blends they do change the flavour slightly, but they're not there to add flavour. They're there to change the appearance. And we taste to a surprising extent with our eyes. So the petals and the other decorative aspects of the blend are really surprisingly important for beautiful leaf blends such as these. So let's try them.